Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about whether or not the free gifts on Temu are legitimate. Here we are in Temu for Android, and what I can tell you already is going through and trying to go through the free gifts. First off, it was asking me to select 4 gifts, and then now it's asking me to select 6 gifts. And in the past, using Temu, I have found that there is a lot of this. It really draws you in with the promises of discounts and gifts and things of that sort. And the fact is that Temu will oftentimes just kind of draw you along and make you jump through several hoops before you can actually get something. Are the gifts real? Well, according to the research I've done, yes, the gifts are real, but they often come with conditions such as making purchases or referring friends to the app, or the process of obtaining the gifts can be complex and require significant effort, such as participating in referral programs or completing specific tasks within the apps. Some users have reported receiving free gifts, while others find it difficult to claim them or receive less valuable items. So, while the gifts are legitimate, they may not always be worth the effort required to obtain them. And I can confirm that for myself, having tried to get the gifts here within Temu. If you've been able to get through with Temu and get those gifts, let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.